Hello everyone, today we are going to make chicken biryani with Spicytude Biryani spice. To start, we need to chop some onion. We are going to heat some oil and fry the onions until they are golden brown and crispy. Once they are done, we are going to drain the excess oil and set them aside. Chop some cilantro and mint. For the marinade, we'll add plain yogurt, the powdered and the whole spices from the spice kit, ginger garlic, green chilies, and mix them well. To the chicken, we'll add some lime juice and the marinade. Mix them well. Put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Add washed rice, water, salt, whole spices from the kit, mint, cilantro into a pot. Bring it to a boil, cook for another 5-6 minutes, and then drain the rice. Add the saffron to the warm milk and let it soak. To layer the biryani, we'll add half of the cilantro, mint, onion, and then rice. And then again add the leftover mint, cilantro, onion. Pour the saffron milk, ghee, and cover it with the aluminium foil, and then with the lid. Cook on high heat for 10 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium. Add a pan underneath your pot and then cook for another 40 minutes. The biryani is ready. Thanks for watching.